Gini nwa. Abakata nkịtị eyewe ọnụ. Oto. Hai. Ka m na-ele gị anya n'ọnụ ote. Ya dị ka so tere m ka ọnụ gị o. Uri ote kwụlaga gị n'ọnụ ote mịa gị ya dachoi. Enwere ọnụ a ga-awata a ga-achụ ọnụ like this ma chi gị chefuo sọnụ m gị. Chai. Hey! Ọ ka mma na mgbọrọgwụ. How are you? How much is it?
What are you doing? Hmm?
What did they do yourself? Eh? What one be your own self? I'm not coming to put again a couple. Until I die for you before you go know say I love you. What kind of thing be this one?
Are you shouting at me?
Why not go shout? Give me why not go shout? Everyone got get me on your boca, on your boy. Yeah, me horn coca. You don't do me this here.
You're very mad dog. Let me ask you something. You know Vincent? Hey man.
I know him. Who him be? He be president.
So just check out for your head, eh? If they take you and Vincent go market, who they go first buy?
True. Oh. Ubaka my hemere de jiri be nwe. So, now because of money. So now money love you want to. Did they give you natural love? We come from heaven. Above. Yeah, love, original love from Adam and Eve. Come there, get your love, ego nkete. Ego women all very soon, yeah, vanish here. But my own love is as natural as this root way they sell here.
Thunder wine or moving
Me.
female thunder rape you. I'm not. Get out from my shop also saw before. See, if I get up from here, your head will reach ground. I will use machete and cut off that your head with that your long mouth.
I will commit suicide for your case, so
You cannot.
I will die for your matter.
If I get up from this place, Ishi the Ruriala. Kaikro. Ikapunga.
It's not fair.
Ekapo.
It's not fair.
That's in the Ekapo. And fall on the ground. Kudienga. Ishi the Ruriala. Korea. Biakai Koro. Biakai Koro.
Okwukwe gị nọ n'azụ gị gịnị ka nke m o. Okwukwe gị nọ behind you. Onye ga-amị ọnụ. Ndị ọkụ. How business?
Eh? Baby Uncle.
Oh, please, Auntie.
It's like you don't have respect. You don't have respect again. Cha cha cha.
But wait, so why you always like this? Eh? And look at more, I'm not colleague, you're going to go to Mala. You could be my young fresh boy. A new boy of the new century. What call mother, I can't man, I'm more better to come. You could say they're proud of me.
With a Huanuga.
Yes! I want to we are not first capital of the capitality. Give events on to me, give one who love all some mania bed mania. It was really proud of me. More than give me opportunity to overtime to your life. Come one when you walk, give when they book, in one place. You better go. Okukwa na won no ni mo nye anonime nwatoro ya anonime nwewu very soon ya anonime ali gi gbaraka oka magi weputa okukwa ya anonime mmiri ukwa na efesa gi mmiri ukwa tere na atọ ga ha ga-ekita isia you know at least the show la mbere nga gi were obi ọma open your mouth and kiss me ya mi ote kwe ga mo onogo no ono ọma go no ri ote no ọnụ kwe mi aya da choi ebe I will never brush my teeth for 2 weeks.
It is very stupid. You are very, very stupid. Let this be the last time you will come to this shop. Jabana crumb rubbish. Don't come here to tell me rubbish. Do you hear me? For your information, I'm about to get married.
To who?
So, at least I want to brush the kage. Do you hear me? So let this be the last time you will come to this shop to come here and talk rubbish. You just have that. Don't come to this shop again because I told and when strength in that call women, I don't have strength for trouble, and I don't have strength to answer anybody's question. I told
ekwekwado ụka ya ụka dị ka na-ekwenye ekwe ụka dị gị gbagaji dịbe na-agbagaji wara na-agba onye ọ ga-alụ gị na ụdị m Chineke ọkpụrụ onye ọwa ọkụ ndị ka m na-ekwu ka lọvụ m na-achọ iwugbu n'ime gị na-akọ m akọ dị
ị na-abara nwunye mmadụ mba
nwunye
ị na-abara nwunye mmadụ mba
ekwula ihe ụka nwunye mmadụ ọtara